Plastic Model Builders. Hello, this is Ari Stone with Plastic Model Builder, and this is my Italeri V-22 Osprey in 1/48 scale, part 5. We are going to show you the landing gear assembly in this, along with the wheels, all that good stuff. We are going to put our propellers on that are on the nacelles onto the aircraft. As well, we're going to paint the canopy, top part of that. So what you can see here, we're installing all the landing gear. We put some things onto the doors. So we've got some doors that go in right here. These are the front doors. You see they're curved, so you kind of have to be careful how you put these on. Just make sure they go on nice and neat, just like this. So here are the wheels. The wheels aren't a perfect fit. As you see, I put those on the doors, then I had to take the doors back off. So make sure you don't make the same mistake that I did. Put the wheels on first, then squeeze the doors in. It will be a little bit easier. You see those wheels have little hubs there because these wheels are supposed to move freely. So I'm scraping this paint away right here. That way we can make these look pretty with Model Making Madness. Sorry, that's a little off camera right there. But got your little hubs right there, and these just go on there. Be careful again, these should move freely. We have some actuators. This is the gear down configuration, of course. You can't do a gear up configuration because they don't have one for this model. You could try to work on it the best you can, though, if you wanted to. So we're putting these in right here. It's got my glue. They're a hard fit. Have to work them a little bit. This is how you make this look pretty for Model Making Madness. Get it connected, and then make sure these fit, because one side's going to fit and one side's not. So you're going to have to file down the inside of this wheel, which is what I did to make these fit, unless I did something wrong, but I don't think I did. So once it's filed down, it'll fit. Put the little hubs on right there. And remember, make sure your wheels can move freely when you do this. Otherwise, it's of no use to you. So there those are. And we're going to put this wheel in now. That's the other side. You see how it just fits inside of that, just like this. We will have to put the doors on this. One of the doors is open and the other is closed. So that's easy to show you as well. So this one goes open. Put it down just like that. Put your glue in. There you go. Same with the other side. Then you'll also have your doors, which go on just like that. You press down each side because we put those actuators on earlier. And then you have that last one, which is right there. You see how this goes. Just hold it in place while your glue sets. Fairly easy process. All right, so now what we're going to do is I am going to show you the back door. I pre-cut this before I built this section, so all I had to do is break it right there. Now you just have to worry about getting that out. How I broke that, push that in, that's the top piece there. Put your glue down there, hold one side and the other. Then we got some actuators we'll have to put in. We're going to let that glue set though. So in the meantime, I thinned down some black paint to make it almost clear. Be careful, and I'd use that to basically paint the windows here. You could tint them ahead of time if you wanted to. I did not do that. I just wanted to try something different and use black paint essentially. There are probably other ways you could do it. Maybe tint some clear and spray paint that on. Hope that works. I mean, that could also be an option for you. This is how I did mine though. We're going to let that coat dry. And you see what this looks like also with all the weathering that I did. So now we have these actuators for the bottom door, which is also a little walkway that they can walk up onto. Get these all set. Then you just kind of carefully press this into place, then glue the actuators down onto that platform right there. And you see me doing this here. So this leaves a couple of things left. We're going to put one more coat of paint right here so it looks kind of clear. And then we will put on our nacelles. I did this two different ways. Here is the first way. Putting on my thin cement, pressing this down, trying to get this on just like this. Instead, I use plastic cement. So put the plastic cement on and then did this. And that's how it looks. And then it's done. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and like. And as always, until next time, see ya.